In a significant escalation of international involvement in the ongoing conflict, the South Korean military has unveiled its newest military weaponry ready for use in Ukraine. This move aims to bolster Ukrainian forces amid increasing tensions, as North Korea's military support for Russia has been confirmed. The development marks a pivotal moment, showcasing the globalized nature of modern warfare. It demonstrates how technology, alliances, and regional conflicts intertwine, potentially reshaping the dynamics of the Ukraine war. Additionally, this video will highlight some of Russia's most advanced weaponry. The AS-21 Redback, an advanced infantry fighting vehicle developed by South Korea's Hanwha Defense, represents a significant leap forward in military technology. Engineered as a state-of-the-art, heavily armored platform, it is designed to excel in a wide array of combat scenarios while providing superior protection for troops. The vehicle's name, inspired by the venomous Australian redback spider, hints at its formidable capabilities and cutting-edge design. At the heart of the AS-21 Redback's impressive arsenal is a powerful 30mm automatic cannon, capable of engaging a variety of targets with precision and devastating effect. This main armament is complemented by an array of advanced active protection systems, which work in concert to defend the vehicle against incoming threats. The Redback's battlefield awareness is significantly enhanced by its suite of cutting-edge sensors, providing crews with an unprecedented level of situational awareness in even the most challenging combat environments. One of the Redback's most notable features is its unmanned turret, which not only increases internal space for personnel and equipment, but also enhances crew survivability by allowing operators to remain safely within the vehicle's armored hull. The integration of anti-tank guided missiles further augments the Redback's offensive capabilities, enabling it to engage and neutralize heavily armored threats at extended ranges. Adding to its versatility, the AS-21 is equipped with a sophisticated hybrid suspension system, ensuring smooth mobility and exceptional performance across a wide range of terrains, from urban environments to rugged off-road conditions. Australia has shown significant interest in the AS-21 Redback, recognizing its potential to meet the country's unique operational requirements. The vehicle's robust design and advanced capabilities make it particularly well-suited for Australia's harsh and varied environments. As a key contender in Australia's Land 400 Phase 3 program, the Redback is vying to replace the nation's aging fleet of M113 armored personnel carriers, promising a substantial upgrade in both protection and combat effectiveness. One of the Redback's most appealing features for the Australian military is its advanced protection systems. This system significantly enhances the vehicle's survivability in high-threat environments, a capability highly prized by modern military forces. The AS-21 Redback's superior crew protection extends beyond active defense systems. Its advanced armor composition and innovative design provide exceptional passive protection against a wide spectrum of threats. Furthermore, the Redback boasts a high payload capacity, allowing it to carry additional equipment, ammunition, or personnel as mission requirements dictate. This versatility makes it an invaluable asset in a wide range of military operations, from conventional warfare to peacekeeping missions and humanitarian assistance operations. The KF-21 Boramae, South Korea's next-generation fighter jet, represents a significant leap forward in the country's aerospace capabilities. Developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, this 4.5-generation multi-role aircraft is designed to significantly enhance South Korea's air defense capabilities and compete with advanced military aviation technologies on the global stage. The Boramae, which means hawk in Korean, embodies the nation's ambition to soar to new heights in defense technology. At the core of the KF-21's impressive capabilities are its cutting-edge features. The jet incorporates advanced stealth technology, utilizing radar-absorbing materials and a carefully designed airframe to minimize its radar cross-section. While not achieving full stealth capabilities like the F-35, the KF-21's reduced radar signature significantly enhances its survivability in modern combat scenarios. The aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array radar, providing superior detection and targeting capabilities across a wide spectrum of operational environments. This advanced radar system, coupled with sophisticated avionics, offers pilots unprecedented situational awareness, crucial for success in today's complex aerial battle space. The KF-21 Boramae's versatility is evident in its impressive array of armaments. Designed to excel in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, the fighter can carry a diverse payload of munitions. This flexibility allows it to adapt to various mission profiles, from air superiority and interception to precision ground strikes and support operations. The aircraft's power plant consists of two General Electric F-414 engines. These engines propel the KF-21 to a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, enabling it to effectively engage or disengage from combat situations as needed. With a maximum range of 2,900 kilometers, the Boramae offers extended operational reach, crucial for patrolling South Korea's airspace and projecting power beyond its immediate vicinity. South Korea has ambitious plans for the KF-21 Boramae, aiming to produce 120 of these advanced jets by 2032. This production goal is part of a broader strategy to modernize the country's air force, with the KF-21 set to replace the aging fleet of F-4 and F-5 fighters. The introduction of the Boramae marks a significant milestone in South Korea's defense sector, symbolizing the nation's push towards greater self-reliance in defense technology and reduced dependence on foreign military hardware. This indigenous fighter jet program not only bolsters South Korea's defensive capabilities, but also positions the country as an emerging player in the global arms market, offering a competitive alternative to Western-made fighter jets. The KSS-III submarine is South Korea's largest and most advanced submarine, developed to enhance the nation's naval capabilities. Part of the Republic of Korea Navy, it is the third phase of South Korea's indigenous submarine development program. The KSS-III aims to increase the country's self-reliance in defense technology and is a critical step toward a blue water navy capable of protecting South Korea's interests in regional and global waters. The KSS-III is designed to improve South Korea's ability to deter threats, particularly from North Korea, which possesses a substantial submarine fleet. Unlike its predecessors, the KSS-1 and KSS-2 classes, the KSS-III is much larger and more technologically advanced, featuring an array of state-of-the-art systems. It has a displacement of around 3,000 tons, making it capable of carrying larger payloads and enhancing its operational endurance. Its range and endurance far surpass previous South Korean submarines, making it capable of extended missions without requiring frequent resupply. One of the key features of the KSS-III is its vertical launch system, which allows the submarine to launch ballistic missiles. The initial batch of submarines can carry up to 6 submarine-launched ballistic missiles, while later versions will be able to accommodate 10. This capability gives South Korea a powerful second strike deterrent, significantly boosting its strategic defense. The submarine's armament also includes torpedoes and anti-ship missiles, enhancing its combat versatility. Another critical advancement in the KSS-III class is its air-independent propulsion AIP system. The AIP technology allows the submarine to stay submerged for extended periods without surfacing to recharge its batteries. This capability significantly reduces its chances of detection by enemy forces and enhances its stealth capabilities, making it more difficult for adversaries to locate and track the vessel. The submarine also incorporates advanced sonar systems, improved hull designs for quieter operation, and sophisticated electronic warfare and countermeasure systems. These features make the KSS-III not only an offensive weapon, but also an intelligence-gathering platform capable of monitoring enemy movements and providing vital information to South Korean defense forces. Now, let's delve into some of Russia's most advanced weaponry that could potentially face South Korean forces in a hypothetical conflict in Ukraine. The Sukhoi S-70 is a state-of-the-art stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle meticulously engineered to operate in tandem with Russia's formidable Su-57 fighter jets. This advanced integration significantly amplifies their combined combat effectiveness through sophisticated network-centric operations. Leveraging cutting-edge stealth technology, the S-70 is ingeniously designed to maintain an exceptionally low radar cross-section, enabling it to remain virtually undetected while executing high-risk missions. These missions encompass a wide range of critical operations, including but not limited to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tasks, as well as precision air-to-ground strike capabilities. In its role as an autonomous wingman for the Su-57, the S-70 dramatically extends the fighter jet's operational reach and situational awareness. Furthermore, the S-70's ability to carry and deploy a diverse array of munitions significantly augments the strike capabilities of the manned-unmanned teaming concept, providing commanders with increased tactical flexibility and force multiplication effects. The Sernik is another significant addition to Russia's robotic arsenal. This armored tracked vehicle is designed for a wide range of operational tasks, including reconnaissance, demining, and the protection of key infrastructure. Weighing less than 7 tons, Sernik can reach speeds of 40 kilometers per hour and operates remotely with a control radius of up to 10 kilometers. Its versatility extends to fire support, ammunition, and fuel transport and casualty evacuation. Sernik's armored hull can withstand gunfire up to a 7.62 mm caliber, and its modular design allows it to be equipped with a variety of combat systems, including 7.62 and 12.7 mm machine guns, grenade launchers, and Kornet anti-tank missiles. The Orlan-30 marks a substantial advancement in Russia's unmanned aerial reconnaissance capabilities, representing a significant evolution from its predecessors in the Orlan series. This cutting-edge UAV incorporates state-of-the-art surveillance technology and boasts an impressively extended operational range, pushing the boundaries of what was previously achievable in aerial reconnaissance missions. The Orlan-30's sophisticated systems are meticulously designed for a multitude of critical tasks, including high-resolution intelligence gathering, precise target acquisition, and real-time battlefield monitoring. In the realm of intelligence gathering, the Orlan-30 utilizes advanced sensors and imaging systems to collect detailed information about enemy positions, movements, and assets. Its target acquisition capabilities are equally impressive, employing sophisticated algorithms to identify and track potential threats with remarkable accuracy. Marker is a smaller robotic platform that highlights Russia's growing capabilities in autonomous warfare. Its advanced systems allow it to cover 1,000 kilometers autonomously, carry heavy loads, and even evacuate wounded soldiers from the battlefield. Designed for both urban and traditional combat zones, Marker has proven its reliability during both training exercises and live combat. Its hybrid mode allows for both remote control and autonomous operation, with developers boasting its ability to perform tasks like automatic cargo delivery and retrieval using a hydraulic manipulator. Its endurance, up to 50 hours of operation on a single fuel load, makes Marker a critical tool in extended combat scenarios. UMPK glide bombs represent a significant advancement in Russia's air-to-ground munitions technology, showcasing the country's commitment to developing sophisticated, precision-guided weapons. These state-of-the-art bombs are meticulously engineered to dramatically extend the range and enhance the accuracy of airstrikes, allowing Russian aircraft to deploy them from considerable distances while still maintaining remarkable precision. This capability is particularly crucial in modern warfare scenarios, where the ability to strike targets accurately from afar can be a decisive factor. The UMPK system's innovative design incorporates advanced guidance mechanisms and aerodynamic features that enable the bombs to glide towards their targets with unprecedented accuracy. This extended range not only enhances the lethality of aerial bombardments, but also significantly reduces the exposure of Russian aircraft to enemy air defense systems. The NCTA combat robot is a sophisticated platform that integrates multiple robotic systems under a single control network, giving operators the flexibility to either manage it remotely or directly on the battlefield. The system allows for pre-programming of target grids and battlefield zones, reducing the need for constant manual control. During combat, special forces can select from preset tasks, enabling the NCTA to carry out operations like reconnaissance, fire adjustment, and the delivery of ammunition to frontline positions. Its advanced design and tactical versatility make it a valuable asset for modern warfare, reducing the need for human soldiers in dangerous scenarios. The TOS-2, a significant advancement in Russia's artillery and area denial capabilities, represents a formidable upgrade to their existing weaponry. This state-of-the-art system is engineered to deliver an unprecedented level of firepower, utilizing thermobaric rockets that can cause extensive devastation across a substantial area. The psychological impact of the TOS-2 on adversaries cannot be overstated, as its mere presence on the battlefield serves as a potent deterrent and a tool for psychological warfare. In terms of design, the TOS-2 boasts superior mobility compared to its predecessors, allowing for rapid deployment across various terrains and combat scenarios. This enhanced mobility is complemented by cutting-edge targeting systems, which significantly improve the accuracy and effectiveness of each launch. As a heavy flamethrower system, the TOS-2 considerably bolsters Russia's capacity to conduct large-scale operations. Its primary function extends beyond mere destruction. It excels in disrupting enemy positions, breaking defensive lines, and severely impacting enemy morale. The Lancet-3 stands out as an exceptionally effective loitering munition, meticulously engineered to autonomously identify and neutralize enemy targets with remarkable precision. This advanced drone system boasts significant improvements in speed, operational range, and destructive capability, positioning it at the forefront of modern warfare technology. In comparison to its Western counterparts, such as the Switchblade 600, the Lancet-3 demonstrates superior performance across a wide spectrum of both offensive and defensive scenarios, showcasing Russia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of unmanned combat systems. One of the Lancet-3's most notable features is its enhanced warhead, which, coupled with an extended operational range, significantly broadens its tactical versatility on the battlefield. This formidable combination enables the Lancet-3 to effectively engage and neutralize a diverse array of targets, from heavily armored vehicles to other airborne drones, making it an invaluable asset in modern combat situations. The Uran-9, a combat-ready UGV, is one of the most formidable combat robots in existence. Visually resembling an infantry fighting vehicle, this 10-ton robotic platform measures 4.5 meters in length and 2 meters in width. The Uran-9 is armed with a 2A-72 automatic cannon, a machine gun, and launchers for 9M 120 Ataka anti-tank missiles, with the option of equipping Igla anti-aircraft missiles for aerial defense. Additionally, 6 reactive flamethrowers are mounted on its turret. Unlike any Western UGVs in terms of firepower, the Uran-9 has seen combat in Syria, where it demonstrated its capabilities, although early tests revealed technical shortcomings. Nonetheless, this platform significantly narrowed the technological gap between Russian and Western military robotics. Initially developed for medium-altitude long-endurance operations, the Grom UCAV has undergone design adjustments to prioritize speed over stealth. Originally conceived to carry significant payloads and potentially control other drones in combat, the Grom's role has shifted toward delivering rapid, decisive strikes from medium altitudes. This change in focus aligns with Russia's evolving combat strategy, emphasizing quick, high-impact engagements over prolonged missions. The Grom remains a vital component in Russia's UCAV fleet, offering operational flexibility and firepower. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.